Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal and today we are here at Bryn Soho, which is located in Talagattapura, Bangalore. Project developed by Bryn Corporation, and today we'll be doing the project unboxing in which we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities including internal and external both, with the parking provision, master plan, floor plan, unit plan, with the current construction status and about the position of the project as well. Now, before moving further, let me show you the surrounding of the project. So this is the marketing office of Bryn Soho, and about the land parcel is just behind the marketing office. Now, let me introduce you with Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you don't need to worry because now Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the brokers. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's discuss about the project overview with the help of this miniature. So this is how your project will look like. This will be the main entrance connected to the Kanakapura main road, and once you enter, this will be the commercial space, and then about the residential part. So this project is constructed on 3.9 acres. Single residential tower of basement ground plus 24 floor having 3 BHK. Premium residencies. Additionally, as you can check out 70% of open space in this project. Now let's discuss about the location part, and this project is located in Talagattapura on Kanakapura main road in Bangalore. So let me show you that this is the Kanakapura main road, and this road will connect towards Nice Ring Road, and the opposite side road that is just behind me, this road will connect you towards JP Nagar. Now let's discuss about the further connectivity and location of the project. So you can connect to Silk Institute metro station, which is just 200 meters on my left hand side. That is 5 minutes walking distance. Now, you can also connect to D-Mart in 10 minutes. Prestige Forum Nexus Mall is also 10 minutes away from the location of the project. Now let's discuss about the amenities part, and the first one is internal amenities. So all the apartment will be unfurnished with branded fittings and fixtures, and few of the experience center is over here. So this is your washroom fittings with the window accessories, tiling and the dooring as well. Now about the external amenities, and this project provides you luxurious amenities like of, as you can check out, this is the clubhouse with all the indoor amenities with swimming pool, multi-purpose court, garden area, kids play area with the half basketball court, and many more amenities. Now about the parking provision, and this project provides you one type of car parking, and that is the basement level car parking. Now let's have a look at the master plan. This is the master plan of Bryn Soho. As you can see in the image, there are total of 2 towers constructed on the land parcel, where this one is a commercial tower and this is a residential single tower with luxurious amenities. Now let's have a look at some of the unit plan. This is the unit plan of 3 BHK, 1484 square feet. This is the unit plan of 3 BHK, 1474 square feet super built up area. Now coming to the most interesting part, and that is the current construction status of the project. So we are standing just exactly on the land parcel where the construction work is going on, and as you can check out, this is the land parcel and the tower. The structure is almost ready. So the finishing work is in progress right now. Now about the position of the project. So it is nearly positioned, that is in April 2026, which provides you with the pros and cons of the project. You just need to register yourself on www.housey.com. So everyone, this was a project unboxing of the residential project, that is Bryn Soho, which is located in Talagattapura, Bangalore, a project developed by Bryn Corporation.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project unboxing videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.